know us, that's our marking spot for we're now at Disney. So we're driving in. We're gonna go stay at the SWAN Reserve, which I know very little about, and I purposely didn't look up. We're on our way to Key West, so we're just stopping for a night. So we're gonna go check it out, walk around, hit the pool, check out the restaurants, shopping, rooms. You can come with us. Here we go.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
Everyone's hiding behind the curtain. All right, so we've arrived here at the SWAN Reserve. SWAN Reserve and Dolphin. I'll put it down here. I don't even know the name of the place. And it's pretty cool. I mean, it's definitely, initial impressions are, it's not quite Disney. It's like almost Disney. But let's take a look at the room here. So walking in, you've got a little foyer and a closet. Ooh, lovely robes. It's cozy time, it says. Hair dryer. The room, I mean, you know, it's pretty standard, right? I think it's very pretty. There's a little August, freshly back from Europe.
I don't come with the room.
No, August is extra and optional. Got this kind of very expensive, kind of cool crystal lamp and phone and remote. There's some artwork. There's Kay, who's ready for the pool, which is where we're heading next. It's really bright, so you can't see really what's out that window. Little coffee maker. I mean, this is nice. This is a pretty, I think, typical hotel room. Let's look at the bathroom first. August again. So you got a nice, spacious bathroom. Ooh, big shower. Can have some friends over. Oh, I guess that's not the door. It's not H2O, but vitamin C, naturals. This feels really cool. Nice rain shower head. So this is pretty. But I think really what makes this worth it is this floor to ceiling view of Disney. And Epcot, look, there's the Contemporary over there. We will be able to see a lot of fireworks from here tonight. There's the dolphin pool, and the SWAN is over there. That's pretty cool. That's kind of worth the price of admission to me. I'm looking forward to staring out this view at night. So anyway, that's the room. Let's go see the pool.
Baby, if you won't be that all of this will go away. My many affection, the list goes on. If you just say the word, oh, I love you, nothing. I leave it all. Affection, the list goes on. If you just say the word, oh, I love you, nothing. I leave it all.
So this is obviously much better than driving from Virginia. It's better to be in here. I don't know how the audio is going to work out. You should come closer. So far, all we've done is checked into the room and then walked down to the pool. And this guy over here is really good. Like, I could sit here for hours, but he's really doing a great job. And so it's a nice little addition. So we haven't seen the rest of the hotel, which, you know, looks pretty awesome. The pool's nice. It's small, right? It's more like, I think you have to think of this as like a quiet pool. And maybe you think of the Swan, the Dolphin, and the Swan Reserve as one hotel and different wings of the same hotel. So you have absolute access to walk across the street if you so chose and jump in the bigger pools over there where, I can't remember if there's a lazy river, but there's a lot more going on. Swan boats, you have access to all those amenities, as well as whatever we're going to find out after this goes on here at the reserve. But this pool is very nice. Maybe I shouldn't say this, but I'm going to. I can always cut it out. So if I cut it out, I'll cut it out right here. Or if I leave it in, I'll leave it in. I think it's obvious it's a Marriott. And that's not a bad thing. But I don't think, personally, I'd want a vacation here for Disney for a week. Even though it's awesome. Like, I really like it. It's beautiful. Check-in was great. The hotel, I mean, it's gorgeous. And it's much more than, you know, it's certainly not a Super 8. I mean, this is a nice hotel and very pretty. But I felt the same way when we stayed at the Dolphin. Or did we stay? Yeah, we stayed at the Dolphin. Or was it the Swan? We stayed at one of them. And I just, you know, I felt like it was a hotel as opposed to a Disney hotel. Where, you know, even if the theming is, like, even like Port Orleans seems more Disney to me than this. But that's okay. I'm not mad about it. It's not a complaint. It's just an observation that it's just a little difference. And we're only here for one night. It's a little pop in on the way down to Key West. So I'd never stayed here. We thought about doing Animal Kingdom, but I don't know. I felt like I got a good deal on this, by the way, on Priceline. And Animal Kingdom was like twice the price. And we're only going to have an afternoon and a night because we're going over to see the new Country Bear Jamboree opening tonight. So, so far I give the pool like a 9 out of 10. This is nice. I think adults can come here, kids can come here.
There's like a little ledge over there where it's like only a foot and a half or something.
Like a
2.5.
Okay, like a zero entry kind of thing.
Sunning.
Oh. So you can be in the water. We'll go over there
Off at sun show.
and take a look at a sun show. There's a little fire pit. There's a bar over there. There's beautiful orange and white towels, which makes it look very cabana-y. There are 4 cabanas, it looks like, one of which is being used by our musical guy. And then these lovely fountains, which we're sitting under, kind of in between. So I love it. I would certainly stay here again, but I think when I'm at Disney, I like a little more Disney. Now, our view is insane. It's an amazing view, and I'm just hoping we get to get back for fireworks. We'll see. Let's go see I'm gonna walk over and see the sun show. Yeah. I don't know if Kate's following me or not. I can't see. Oh yeah. Look, I can sit right here and relax. Set myself without being completely underwater. I kind of like this. For having a wall in your way, it looks pretty cool. That's nice. Kay's looking for some stuff.
What?
You heard me. She's trying to pretend she doesn't know what's going on. Can't really see it, but over there in the background, I'm listening to Phantasmic. And rising up over here is our hotel. Little fountain. Fantasia Gardens Golf is right over there. But while Kay's rummaging around in the car, I thought I'd give you a few more little nuggets of information about the old Swan Reserve. I very much like it. I don't think I'd want to stay here for a week. Like, I think I'd want a little more magic than this hotel provides. But it's just an opinion. If you love it here, I could understand that. It's very, very nice. And our view, I mean, I don't know. That's a tough view to beat in all of Disney. We'll look at it again here in a minute in the dark. I will say, keep in mind that because it's a Marriott, I guess I should show the hotel. Maybe that's more relevant. Because it's a Marriott, parking's not included. So that was like 30 some odd dollars a day or 40 some odd dollars a day for valet. We're only here for a night, so it's not a big deal. And I feel like I got a pretty good deal on the room. It was like $350, $320, something like that, but then you got to pay for the other stuff too. I don't love being nickeled and dimed, but I don't know. Just charge me for the parking so I know ahead of time. Or don't. Just realize that in order to use your hotel, lots of folks have to drive to it. Or going to drive to it. Or will drive to it. Just my 2 cents. If you like mini golf, it's right there. Hotel, mini golf. And then while we went to check out the Country Bear Jamboree D23 event before it opened, the kids took a bus over to Disney Springs, and we'll have to get their opinion and see how easy that was. Was there like a Disney bus magic, or was it more like a shuttle bus magic? Look, there's a beautiful portico. Is that a portico, Kay? Kay says it's a portico. And she knows a lot about porticos. Look at her. That's a girl that knows her porticos. And she stopped. Impressive. Yes. Little walkway right there. Ooh, minivan. Walkway right there. You can get over to the pool. Whoa. This is just Bell Services. Let's take the escalator up. This is Bell Services here. Normally I'd pop in the elevator there, but since we're down here, why not? Let's take a look. It's pretty at night. And impressive. It's loud up here. I think they, like a lot of these hotels, they do probably a lot of conventions. There's a restaurant. I'm not sure what restaurant's there. I think I'm going to walk around in the morning when people aren't looking at me funny. The desk is very underwhelming. It's right over there. It's just 2 little things, and that's it. That's the front desk right there. And then this bar and restaurant. I saw another one called a Mare somewhere. And then, I don't know what this is. On the hotel it says there's a Disney experience desk. So I imagine that's that. These guys are having a good time. They're enjoying the place. So that's good. And it's beautiful, but is it magical? That's the question. So the elevators are fast. Oh. Karaoke and sushi. And then this is Amare. How are you doing? And then the pool was out here. And then this was the little craft coffee shop. So you can probably get that. They don't have like a sundry store like where they sell things. It's interesting. I would have liked to have a magnet. All right, we'll finish it up in the morning. What do you do? All right, it's early in the morning, a little before 7. I'm heading down to get coffee, but I thought this would be a good time to finish up the review. I desperately need some caffeine, so I'm trying to be quiet because this is the other end of the hallway from my room. So I'm gonna take the elevator down. Hopefully the little grounds restaurant is open. Take a quick look at that. There's not much really to see here, aside from the lobby, and there's a bar and restaurant, but it's pretty small. It's not like there's a giant room to go look at and check out. So, friendly elevator, ready to go. And these are nice. I like the palm trees. This is a great hotel. Again, it's like Disney light. And for some people that might be awesome. I like a little more Disney in my hotel room. But that's not a negative. It's just, again, just an observation. All right, so let's come on. Let's have some coffee. I won't do too much in here. Just a nice fitness room. There's some weights. Seamus said it was mostly treadmills, but someone's working out. And I'm going to leave them alone. Huh. Nice cold towel. So here it is in the daytime. Again, I mean, it's beautiful. There's the little coffee place. It is open. This was bustling last night. That tile work's really pretty. Front desk and concierge over there. Sun's coming up over the Swan. I wish I could get a picture in our room. It's really pretty, but there's so much dew on the window that it's difficult to film or take a picture. I think that's for squeezing OJ for your morning orange crushes. Or maybe it's just a cocktail mixer. It's kind of cool. All right, coffee. I have some coffee. So my job on any, I didn't do that on purpose. That's awesome. Totally leaving that there. See, it's the concierge Mickey Disney Experience desk. I can't speak. Leaving it in. My son says I should take out mistakes. I'm not going to. So finishing up the final thoughts here. I've had a great stay here. I love it. I'm glad I experienced it. I would come back, but it wouldn't be my choice of destination for Disney. If I were staying anywhere else, this would be one of my favorite hotels anywhere in the world. So don't let my opinion sway you if you end up staying here. I felt the same way about the Swan. Cool hotel, although I thought there was more to do in that hotel. This hotel is really, again, like a wing of the other hotels. So, great staff, clean, beautiful rooms, great location. The view is unparalleled. Like, that is about an 11. Like, I've just stood there last night. I wish we could have watched fireworks, but we were out in the park doing stuff, so we didn't get to see that. But yeah, this is a beautiful hotel. I highly recommend staying here. Yeah, now we're gonna leave the bubble here, head down to Key West. So stick around for those videos. If you've watched this far, like, subscribe, share, comment. Somebody comment. Tell me this sucks. Tell me it's wonderful. Tell me you hate it. Tell me you love it. Whatever you want to do. But thanks for watching, and have a really big day.